Hello, it's Maura again. I am doing another unboxing. I'm going to try and keep it short. All right. I got myself an Audio-Technica streaming podcast pack with an AT2020 mic and a boom and some headphones. I think that's it. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just going to do this real quick because I'm anxious to get this stuff, get it into service. I don't know if you can see this or hear me or what's going on, but here's the mic. I believe it's an AT2020. No jokes about that. Memories like the corners of my mind. I know I'm gonna get shut down for that probably. Yeah, this is a large diaphragm condenser mic, I believe, which I'm gonna use for singing and possibly miking my guitar. There's that. Back you go. It has XLR connector, which is why I got it, because I already have a USB mic. But then I'm like, oh, wait, I can't. And this one is just cardioid pattern, which means it will only, let's see, yeah, cardioid condenser. And that means that pattern there, which looks kind of like a butt, is the way that the mic will listen from the front and only kind of like around to the sides, but mostly right in the front. There's that. Comes with a nice little faux leather pouch with foam lined. This is a clip for the mic, so I can attach it to the boom stand, the boom arm that came with it. I also have a shock mount on order because I don't want to mess around with noises getting transferred. And the place where I bought this, my local music store, did not have that in stock, so that's coming from Sweetwater maybe tomorrow. It was Alto for this. Okay, now these headphones, they're not great, okay? I know this is true. Somewhere in my storage, I have a much better set of Sonys, but hey, they'll get the job done. They have a 1/4 inch with an adapter for an 1/8 inch stereo. I'm gonna pull out this. Fingers, okay. And again, I have another boom arm, but I figured I'd get all those three together. It was a good package deal. And I'm looking forward to digging in with some of this sync and production music challenges I'm taking on. Hopefully I'm not just procrastinating. This is actually kind of a little lighter in feel than I would have expected, but that's the story. I have an on-stage brand which feels a lot more substantial. But hey, you know, what do you want for $149 plus tax? And here's the clamp that attaches it to the desk or whatever. And that's it. That's all she wrote. That's all that's in here. All right, thanks for watching. Next time you see me, I will have laid down some tracks in my DAW.